Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to pin a WhatsApp chat. And when you're talking about pin, a WhatsApp chat is when you have too much of groups on your phone, too much of messages on your WhatsApp. The exactly chat that you pin will be the first on your timeline, will be first open. Maybe it is very important your work or from your business or from your family friend, but you needed to know when the person drop a message for you. Just pin the person. Once you pin the chat, once you open your WhatsApp, the message is going to be the first you're going to see. So and it will stop you from maybe forgetting that message or forgetting that chat. So very simple. Before guys, please subscribe. It's absolute. So let's get started. What you need to do is you open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, you go straight to the person you want to pin. For example, now I want to pin this certain person's chat now. This person now, just click on that person. Once you click on it, okay, I think this is sorry. What you need to do is just double click on the person, clean it very well, and this is the pin button here. Just click on pin. Once you click on pin, let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see the person name is the first on my list. So any message this person drop will always be the first on my list. So I will not forget the chat, and I will quickly have access to the chat. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like.